Hello, I'm going to be going over the off-campus databases. When you click on one of them, it'll bring up the login page. You'll only need to do this once, as long as you do not log out of your browser. Sometimes it takes a little bit to get going. Now, this is America's history through news. This one is mostly over 1690 to 2000. Anything published in those years. So you can select an era of what's shown right here. So we can do colonial era and see that the first publication of a newspaper, 1960, early colonial newspaper published. We can click on that one to look at it, and it will bring up the actual news clip of it. And at the bottom of all of these, you'll have your news articles on this topics and suggested searches. So anything of relevance to what you just clicked on. Well, we can go back. So you can click on any of those, go through any of the newspaper articles at that time. And most of the databases are going to have anything over the coronavirus, so that'll be another thing to be looking at all the time. We can click on back to search, and it'll bring up the Newsbank's homepage and suggested topics, so you can look through all of these to see what's been published at that time, or you can click into the search bar and type in what you're looking for. So since this is relevant, this shall be our topic for the day. But I'll type in the COVID-19, maybe, if I can even type right. And on this page, it'll bring you up recent articles, and on the right side of the hyperlink is a little preview box, so you can look at that before even actually clicking on the link, or you can hold over it and it'll bring it up. Now, if you're looking at these on your phone or your tablet, some of them will not be able to do this. On the left, you'll have your limiters, your source types. So they have audio, blogs, college, university, newspapers, journals, magazines, newspapers, newswires, transcripts, videos, web source. So they can bring from multiple different places. And click on this top one with the incorrect date, because it is not the 9th at this time. And it'll bring up the news article, which you can print, email, download, or you can have it be read to you if you do have difficulty looking. And this one's a very short one, so not much to look there. Go back. And that should be it for Newsbanks. Fairly simple, just newspaper articles, videos, journals, blogs, magazines.